So, okay. This is giving me, I should have a sugar daddy type hair. I am a rich Caucasian woman of color hair. Ooh, yes.
Just really wanna fuck with a Pisces. Bad bitch, long hair with some nice teeth. Flash shit only, kinda like me. Me and you, we can do this every night, see. I just really wanna kick it with a Pisces. Lay back, get liquor with a Pisces. Okay.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is XOXO Mochaccino here. First of all, shout out to all of my subscribers. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for holding it down. Also, all my new subscribers, hey, how you doing? What's good? What's up? Also, anyone that's watching this video for the very first time, you know what to do. Just click that. Oh shit, which side is it on? Over here. Okay. So, click the notification bell right here. I'm going to give y'all a little second. Click, click, boom. So, y'all guys can know when I'm providing new content. But anyways, today I'm here to do a quick wig review. So, I've been seeing this wig all over Instagram. I seen my girl Shandiz rocking this wig. I seen Kyra Orion rocking this wig. Like, a lot of the girls is rocking this wig. I'm like, yo, this wig looks so cute. I don't know if it's the blonde color. Because I always wanted that, what they call this blonde? Like an ash brown blonde. I always wanted to rock this color. But I couldn't really never find a synthetic wig that color until today. So anyway, this wig is from Outre. It's from the Color Bomb collection. The style is Kimani. And the colors, basically I got in the color Sandstone Blonde. This is the tag. This is what it looks like. Color Bomb. I see why they call it Color Bomb, because bitch, this color is bomb. Okay, I'm doing way too much. I mean, way too extra. But yeah, so far I'm really loving this wig. I really like it. I like it better than the last video I did on the sensational wig. I like this wig better than the other one. I think I like it because, I mean, we all know all synthetic wigs, they all shed, they all tangle. But this is not like, it tangles, but it's not like a headache. Like, it's not like every second, tangle. Like, it's actually manageable. And that's what I like. I like wigs that are very manageable, that last and won't, like, you know, the ends won't fuck up quick. And it feels nice. Like, it feels really nice. It don't even feel, well, I'm lying. But, I mean, it feels nice for a synthetic wig. It feels really, really nice. Like, I cannot stop touching it. The only thing I did layer the bang part a little bit because I wanted my bang like shorter. Like I wanted to be like, oh yeah. I wanted to be like over the eye, like mysterious. So yeah, this wig, I forgot how much it cost, but most likely I'll find it and probably put it over here somewhere or whatever the case may be. But yeah, and also I did my little makeup I hate every time I have a side part, like the side part just knocked my lash down and it's like, it don't stay up like it was staying up earlier. But you know what? It's cool. It's fine. Shit happens. The makeup look I did was, I was actually inspired by Zay Baby. She's like really good with like the eye makeup. Like, you know, she fucks with the face paint and all of that, and she's really, really good. And she did this thing called the ribbon. Mine's probably don't look as good as hers, but I'm just practicing because I just thought it was really cute and very creative. So shout outs to her. Also, you guys, remember, I am still on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We are almost there, girl. Your girl about to get 1,000 subscribers finally. After all the hard work, after all the drama I went through, becoming a YouTuber, like, yo, I've been through so much, like, no bullshit. I've been through so much. Until that virus, can I say virus? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Until that came and just fucked everything up. But other than that, my life was starting to be on track. I was more happier. I was doing this YouTube shit. You know, I'm getting a little more recognition now. I'm getting free shit or whatnot. So now I just gotta wait to get monetized and get these coins. Okay, girl? But enough of the chit chat. To show y'all the process that I did. It's gonna be real quick because, you know, all my videos have the same process, you know. It's got to be blow dry, cut, baby hair laid, you know. So we're just gonna go through all of that and I'll be right back.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah.
Yeah, this is not big head friendly. Beautiful wig, beautiful, but it's not good for my big ass head. Like, I don't even know y'all can tell, but y'all see how tight this shit is? This shit is tight as fuck on my head. Like, my God. Major wig headache for sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you again for watching. All my returning subscribers, thank you. All my new subscribers, thank you. Anyone watching this video for the first time, make sure you guys subscribe so y'all know when I'm providing new content. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram at XOXO_mochaccino. Again, I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you like my videos, share my videos, comment, all of that good shit, not me. Again, thank you. It's literally 12 something at night, so I'm about to go to sleep, and bye.